Alright, this is the best topic in my life. This is a very unique topic in my life because I suppose this topic because as I know nowadays I think people are talking about ethnic, right? I'm not forcing every single people in Aceh. I know it's from Sudanese, Mayonnaise, Padanese, it's talking about when you meet each other, example Aceh ethnic, each other, those people shy, speak bahasa Aceh. That's it. Alright, well, let me demonstrate about this situation nowadays. I experienced time almost last year and August 25, 2009 at the time, I met somebody from North Aceh when he went to Islamic Museum at the time. You know what? I asked him that women. Excuse me? Yep. I am from Zapi. I am from North Aceh. It's North Aceh. From Bulu Dangara. Seriously? Yeah. So you can't speak bahasa Aceh? No. So how many days, how many months, how many years stay in Banda Aceh? Just 3 months because my college is second first year time. So just because you can't speak bahasa Aceh? No. You just speak bahasa Indonesia. Imagine that 3 months in Banda Aceh, that woman or that guy shy or afraid of speak local language Acehese. Oh come on, Pong, seriously? Who you are? As a kingdom, sekarang.mudah, and then they fight the greatest a kingdom runner after Mongol, Turkmeni, Chinese. Aceh Darussalam very famous. A lot of people from Europe at the time learn bahasa Aceh at the time. Can you imagine that? No one can believe that. When you're afraid of shall speak, as Aceh language, you're gonna lose your identity. I'm not forcing you guys from North Sumatra or West Sumatra. Because those people could speak bahasa, it's okay. But you're talking about don't be afraid, when don't be shy, when go abroad, just go in Banda Aceh or Jakarta, Bali, and then Bandung, Medan. You don't have to speak bahasa Indonesia. When you meet each other, you have to speak your local language, your mother tongue. Like Patan, let's say we let Patan. Patan, 3 times, or go bring board like United States, Korea, North Dakota, Pennsylvania at the time. Until now, I still learn or speak bahasa Aceh. I'm not judging every single people who have speak bahasa. No, bahasa Aceh is important. But the point is, I myself, I do speak English, I do speak Arabic, I do speak Espanol, I do speak Esperanto. I'm going to try learn, French and German and including Dutch. You know what? So I will try to speak bahasa Indonesia. That's because there's people couldn't speak bahasa Aceh. But I won't speak bahasa Indonesia. Those people originally from ethnic Aceh. That's it. Alright, that's my time. Thank you.